Nina.
And I'm Randa, and today we're showing you a what I eat recipe style video for summer. You guys always seem to comment that we eat the same thing every day, and it's kind of true because we just eat our favorite foods. So we wanted to come up with some different recipes that we also like that we
don't
can
eat the
share with
same
you.
food every day because you had avocado toast yesterday.
I had avocado toast
Alert
yesterday.
the f***ing media! Alright, let's get into it.
If you like these kinds of videos, make sure to give it a big thumbs up and don't forget to subscribe. This is literally just a chickpea.
Wait. What are we making?
It's just like a chickpea dish that I came up with. It's the easiest thing you could possibly do. So I just first started off with some celery and onion. I just chopped this up and cooked it on the stove.
With some water.
With some water for a little bit. Just because you could do this recipe with just raw onion and raw celery, but I feel like it's a little less, I don't know, I feel like it's a little much on the stomach when it's uncooked, so I just prefer cooked. But you can do whatever you want. So I'm just gonna add this to the bowl. Okay. ASMR.
Link down below.
Now we're just gonna take our handy dandy
Notebook!
We need our handy dandy notebook.
garbanzo beans.
I just rinsed these can of garbanzo beans because if you rinse off the juice, you get rid of the farties. So we're just gonna add that.
All right, we're gonna take a little bit of this mint that I got from Whole Foods, and this is just gonna give it that nice summery flavor. You know what I'm saying? We're just gonna use our hands, guys, because that's how we roll. Just take your own.
We want that much mint?
Yeah. Yum, yum, yum. And now,
alright, we added the mint. What's next?
and now we add some salsa. You could add some blueberries or grapes, but this is what we have.
Well, this is what you bought. You could make your own mango salsa if you're not a lazy
smell that.
piece of shit. However, this is really good, so let's add that.
If you don't want to be a lazy piece of shit, let me just read you the ingredients. We have mango, onions, garlic, cilantro, lemon, lime, peppers, sea salt, jicama, red bell peppers, jalapenos.
We could make that ourselves.
We could make this ourselves, and now we know how, and now you know how as well. 1, 2.
Oh, it smells really good.
We're gonna add
a third.
A little hapsy.
Honestly, if you didn't want to make the salsa, you could just cut up some mango and do that.
That's true.
That would be just
That's why I said the grapes or the blueberries as well.
Alright, guys, so we each have our lime.
Now we have a lime.
I just want to give a little hack. You remember hacks, like when you would watch videos and you'd get like hacks for this? What happened to that? I don't know. But hack, if you like soda, not great, not healthy. I mean, do you, but like if you want a healthier option, get some sparkling water, squeeze some of this lime in it, boom.
But yo, if you want to live longer, get that lime and sparkling water.
Oh my god. Put the scare tactic. Don't eat soda.
I think we only need 1.
Nah, I think
Okay, we'll just double up the lime.
We love that lime.
Speaking of which, speaking of doubling up, we have a channel called Double Fit!
Yeah, guys, we do live workouts on this channel. It's called Double Fit. Thanks, Mom, for helping us out with the name.
We'll leave it linked in the description. You guys should check it out.
Work out with us.
We also have an ASMR channel, if you didn't know.
If you want to relax with us. So on this channel, you can eat with us. The next channel, you can work out with us. And then the next one, you can go to sleep with us.
Yeah.
And you watch our ASMR.
So subscribe to all 3 channels if you like us. Okay, next step we have is a little bit of spinach. And again, I'm just going to rip this up and almost make it more chopped. Again, this is easy because we're lazy. This is like, I should title this video Lazy Recipes.
Honestly though, everyone is lazy. You go to the grocery store and you just pick out what you're eating.
Nina, I grow all of my own food.
You know what? If you're not growing your own food, then if you're growing your own food, you're not lazy.
Yeah, but that's literally all you can spend your time doing. So yeah, again, just rip it. Just like so.
You know, this reminds me that Randa and I were thinking of getting a bunny.
Oh yeah.
And naming it Minnie.
Minnie.
Let us know if you think we should do that.
Yeah, if you think we should get a bunny, let us know in the comments. Now we're gonna mix it up.
I do gotta say, this might be the best smelling thing we've ever made on our channel.
So good.
We're just gonna
pair it up with a little bit of rice.
White rice.
Boom.
We got our German girl with us.
You're taller
She's
than
a little
us.
bit taller. You gotta bend
bend
down.
Oh wait, let me get some salt. That's good.
Really
I think that'd be such a good lunch. It's like the perfect blend
and the mango.
of like raw but also cooked. You know what I mean?
Guys,
Crispy.
try
almost. Next easy lazy recipe we're making is
Sweet potato
tacos.
tacos.
Baked.
Indian inspired.
We're gonna start with our mixing bowl. Here we have chopped peppers, and this is a steamed sweet potato that I also skinned. Made sure they cooled down a little bit and then took off the skin, just chopped them again, and this is gonna be part of our mixture.
Now we're adding some rinsed canned beans.
Black beans. We have a little bit of chopped onion. Boom. Raw. This is uncooked. Then we're gonna add a few more tablespoons of our salsa from before. Again, we just bought this from Whole Foods, and it's gonna give it that summery flavor.
And if you don't have a Whole Foods near you, chop up some mango.
Oh, we're gonna do 4. We're gonna be generous.
We're gonna add our spices now. We have ginger,
We have red pepper,
some masala, garam masala, and some parsley flakes.
We're also gonna add some more lime to this as well.
Lime is just a great way to make the food more watery.
Flavorful too.
Because everyone likes, like wet food. I think that's why people love oil and sometimes greasy foods. It's like wet in your mouth.
That's just such a weird way to describe it.
How else should I
I
describe
just like,
it?
really like wet things in my mouth, you
Well,
know?
how else would I describe it?
I don't know.
Wet food. Cats like wet food and dry food,
You're
alright?
not a cat. Oh, I see what you mean. You don't want the kibble.
Yeah, I don't want the kibble, I want the wet food.
Yeah, yeah.
And now we mix.
Next step, we got partially cooked tortillas from Whole Foods, and you can just get normally cooked tortillas as long as they bend. They were out, so we had to get the partially cooked. Now we have a silpat on our baking tray. I saw a recipe online that did something similar to this, except they did it with oil, but this silpat will make it not stick. So what we're gonna do is we're gonna take our little tacos.
No, Miranda, we don't say oil, we say oil. Oil.
Jeez. We're gonna take our taco mix. We're gonna put it in the taco, like so. This is the world's easiest recipe, am I right?
Yeah.
And then we're gonna take it
It's kind of hot.
and we're gonna fold it over. And then we're gonna bake them in the oven, like so.
These tacos are hot. Oh, it's like a little quesadilla. Sweet potato dia.
Okay, you didn't do a very good job. Hey, you gotta make it flat. Like my chest. Jeez. Yeah,
I'm kidding.
you want to
That's
make these tacos like our
flat
chest.
like our boobs, guys.
Can you
I'm
just get a
kidding.
shot of
That's
me?
what mean people say on YouTube.
You have no chest.
No, I feel like it's just because I don't wear a push-up bra everywhere
That's
I go.
so true. It's like,
No, just
guys,
explain. I'm not wearing a push-up bra.
this
you
is
know?
a B, okay? This is a solid B here.
It's just when you don't wear push-up bras with your clothes, people are like, you have no boobs. You're like, no, I do.
This is
Like
like,
not pushed up.
you know, boobs are the only thing you want like a lower grade. You want like a D. You don't want that in school, but for boobs.
Wait, did you just come up with that?
Yeah. Is that weird? We preheated our oven to 450 degrees Fahrenheit, and we're gonna bake these for 5 minutes. And we're gonna check on them because we're gonna flip them for a total of 10 minutes. Let's bake these up.
I woke up on the roof with my brothers.
It's been about 7 minutes for our tacos. Here's the finished product. Some of them did kind of break in half a little bit, but
It's more like a taco sandwich, but if you wanted to use a like whole wheat tortilla, it would probably fold a little bit better since corn tortillas are kind of more rough, but I would still like to eat it as a sandwich.
these are great for an hors d'oeuvre or to pack to lunch, whatever, super easy. If you like a little, can you not?
No, I'm just showing them why it's like a sandwich, because
Yeah.
it's like open on that side.
But that's okay, it's still good. We're gonna show you guys how to make a little hummus recipe, which would be great to dip this in. And if you like avocado or guacamole, that's another little hack. Condiment, whatever.
We are going to make a perfect summer drink. So, the first ingredient is watermelon.
And now we're gonna add some
Lime! It's the key ingredient to this entire video. We're actually just gonna title this video Lime.
No, we're not. It seems that lime and mint are the key ways to making something taste like summer, right?
Oh!
What?
Okay.
Jeez. All right, now we're gonna take a little bit of mint.
She could use it.
No,
I'm kidding.
maybe honestly. I'm always paranoid that my breath is gonna smell, so I brush
Me
my teeth like
too.
crazy. I'm like, I don't know. I haven't yet had someone tell me my breath smells.
I have.
Really? Your ex.
Yeah, one time
Yeah.
at Disneyland, he's like, can we just like find you a mint? We like went to the stores. Or maybe I said, let's find me a mint, and then we like went to the stores.
And now we're gonna put a little bit of ice.
Angelo's favorite. We got a cat that loves ice. I don't even think we should add in water.
No.
Because it's watermelon.
And
Ready?
now we blend, baby. And now we eat.
We
drink. We drink. I feel like, you know, if people liked alcohol, they could drink this. Oh my gosh, this would be so good frozen into ice cubes, right? And then you could put it in your water.
That is literally incredible.
Okay, wow.
I think I like that we went heavy on the mint.
Me too. It's very herbally. Gosh, guys, you seriously have to have this. This is like the ultimate breakfast drink.
Remember Klaus? His sister made this for us?
This is the best thing.
Shout out to Plant-Based News. His sister had made this, remember?
Yeah.
I just want to shower it.
Cheers.
I just
You
want
just
to
want to like bathe in this?
Yeah, shower in it. That would be so good.
This is literally watermelon flavored kombucha, and so we're just gonna save it in there, you know, because we're all about that recycling life.
That's so.
Wait, this literally looks like it could be watermelon kombucha.
Yeah.
That's funny. We are gonna show you guys how to make a
Hummus.
Homemade hummus. Okay.
Hummus.
Literally, guys, are these not the easiest recipes you've ever seen? What the heck? All right.
You get it?
Hummus? Yeah, I got the joke, Nina. I think we all got the joke.
Oh
It just
God.
wasn't great. Is garbanzo beans. What I did...
Rinsed.
No. I didn't rinse them. I strained them and I'm keeping the juice because we're going to use it as part of the hummus to give it that consistency. Okay, boom. Shaka-laka laka boom. We're going to take some more diced onion. We're gonna take some more lime.
You guessed it. Oh, you guys are so smart.
See, what's great about this recipes we're showing you guys, you just buy these certain ingredients.
Yeah.
And it still all tastes really different, just really fresh. Let's blend this baby. You know, I thought we were actually gonna need a little bit of the juice, but I think we like it thick, right? THICC. So we're not gonna use any of this. So this is our masala curry spice. Voila, we're gonna add boom, shaka, boom, 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 boom.
You know that's from, right?
What?
I will play the role of your husband.
Wait.
Boom.
We're gonna add a little bit of mustard to our hummus mixture. You could do this in the blender or just after.
We like that tang.
Yeah.
We're the salt queens, but that's because we're the triathlon queens.
It's really refreshing.
Wow.
I like the masala touch, it's good.
Okay, guys. If you enjoyed this video, make sure to give it a big thumbs up. These are going to be some of our what I eat summer recipes. And if you want a specific recipe for us to make healthy, you know, you can pretty much make anything healthy.
Yeah, let
And
us know
I
in
mean
the comments.
anything.
Anything.
Anything. All right. Subscribe, hit the bell. Thank you guys so much for watching, and we'll see you next time. Bye, guys. I just love you so much.
Do you love it when people kiss the camera? Like,
Bye, guys.
yeah, it's annoying.
It's so weird. Okay, bye.